morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with the next part of our organic compound, that is protein. Okay children, so for protein children we need milk powder. Children, you will bring this everyday milk, Nestle everyday milk powder, a small sachet for your experiment whenever your teacher will tell you. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to take small amount of milk powder in a test tube like this. Okay, take just small amount of powder in a test tube. Add 10 ml of distilled water. Children, this is distilled water bottle which is already placed on the rack. Okay, you can see there. So you have to add 10 ml of distilled water, okay, to this and shake properly. Shake properly. Okay. After shaking, you have to divide this solution into two parts. Okay. So what you will do is just take another test tube. Okay, children. Just take another clean test tube and divide this solution into two parts as you require. So I have divided this way, two parts. Okay. So there are only two tests in protein. The first test in protein is that you have to take small amount of the compound. Okay, you have to take 2 ml of your compound. To this you will add copper sulfate solution. See here, this is your copper sulfate solution. It is already prepared and kept on the rack. So you will add a small amount of copper sulfate solution to this. Now see, on adding copper sulfate it has turned blue. Okay, this is pale blue color. After this you have to add sodium hydroxide solution. Similarly, sodium hydroxide is prepared and kept on your rack. So to this solution, when you will add sodium hydroxide, children, it will turn deep blue color. Okay, slowly you have to add. See, can you see, on addition only it has given you deep blue color. So this is the test, first test for protein. You have to shake it properly, children. It will turn deep blue color. Okay children, are you getting? This is the first test for protein. The second test for protein is that again you take the small amount of protein powder in which you have already add distilled water. Okay children, now you have to take small amount of protein, the given organic compound, and to this given organic compound you will add concentrated nitric acid. So this is your concentrated nitric acid solution. So kindly hold the test tube properly in a test tube holder, okay, and add the solution slowly. Concentrated nitric acid solution slowly. So you have added 2 ml of say concentrated nitric acid to the solution. Now you have to heat this solution. Okay. So children, I am heating here. Just see that the face of the test tube should not be towards you or towards some other person. Otherwise the solution may bump. Okay. So you have to heat the solution. After the heating is done, you will switch off your burner. Okay. And then you have to cool this solution. Now this is hot. Okay, this is hot solution. You will cool this solution. So I have cooled this solution in the tap water. On cooling, you have to add little amount of sodium hydroxide solution to this. Children, sodium hydroxide solution. Now, when you are adding sodium hydroxide solution, you can see the color has turned slight yellow. Children, the observation is that either it will turn orange or it will turn yellow. So children, on keeping, you have to just cool it and you have to see. Now the color is starting to turn to yellow. Okay, the color has started turning to yellow. So this is how it will turn yellow. Maybe orange or yellow color solution will be there. Not pura yellow nahi hoga. It will be slight yellowish or orangish color. Okay. So this is the confirmatory 2 test for your protein powder. The given organic compound will be protein. So we have to identify that milk contains protein. Thank you.